Good morning everyone. Today we will start chapter 3. I explained to you chapter soil, and today we will start back exercise of chapter soil. So first back exercise. So take out your book. Take out your book, open page number 23. First question, write T for true and F for false. If your statement is true, so write T, and if your statement is false, so write F. So first is soil is bottom layer of the earth. Soil is bottom layer of the earth. It is true? No, it is false statement. So first is false, because soil is the topmost layer of the earth, not a bottom layer of the earth. Second, humus provide nutrient for the growth of plants. Humus provide कराता है कि nutrients plants को? Yes, it is true. So second one is true. And third one is, there are four type of soil. There are four type of soil. This is false statement. There are three type of soil. So write false. And fourth one is, sandy soil is the best for plant growth. Sandy soil plant growth के लिए best होती है क्या? No. Loamy soil is the best for plant growth. So this is false statement. First question is complete. Then in 23 page number, put on your thinking cap में. First question, select the correct option. First is, soil is not made up of. soil किससे नहीं बना हुआ होता है? Option is gravel, loam, plastic या sand. So answer is plastic. First answer, choose the correct. First option is plastic. Second question is, open page number 24. Dead and decayed plant and animal matter is called dead and decayed. यानी मरे और सड़े हुए plant and animal matter को क्या कहते हैं हम? is called humus. So answer is humus. Third one is, loam is a mixture of. Loam किसका mixture होता है? Loam is a mixture of sand, clay and humus. So answer is sand, clay and humus. And fourth is the type of soil that hold the right amount of both air and water. यानी which type of soil hold right amount of air and water? कौन से टाइप की सॉइल होती है जिसमें एयर और वाटर की क्वांटिटी प्रॉपर अमाउंट में होती है? सो लोमी सॉइल होल्ड द राइट अमाउंट ऑफ एयर एंड वाटर. सो आंसर इज लोमी सॉइल. लोमी सॉइल. Listen one time again, choose the correct. First answer is plastic, second humus, third sand, clay and humus, and fourth one is loamy soil. So tick in your notebook, tick in your book. Next question, fill in the blanks using word from the help box. So first fill-ups is, soil is formed by the breakdown of rock, breaking up of rock. So first question, fill-ups. First answer is rocks. Second is विच सॉइल प्रोवाइड न्यूट्रिएंट टू ग्रोविंग प्लांट, किस टाइप का सॉइल न्यूट्रिएंट प्रोवाइड कराता है ग्रोविंग प्लांट को? ह्यूमस, विच प्रोवाइड न्यूट्रिएंट टू द ग्रोइंग प्लांट, ग्रोइंग प्लांट को न्यूट्रिएंट कौन प्रोवाइड कराता है? ह्यूमस, ह्यूमस प्रोवाइड न्यूट्रिएंट टू द ग्रोइंग प्लांट। थर्ड वन इज विच टाइप ऑफ सॉइल होल्ड वेरी लिटिल वाटर, किस टाइप की सॉइल में बहुत कम मात्रा में, कम क्वांटिटी में वाटर होता है? सो सैंडी सॉइल होल्ड वेरी लिटिल वाटर, सो आंसर इज सैंडी सॉइल। And fourth one is garden soil is also called, garden soil is also called, garden soil is also called loamy soil. And fifth one is potter use clay to make pots. पोटर पॉट बनाने के लिए क्ले का यूज करते हैं। पोटर यूज क्ले टू मेक पॉट, क्ले। So Phillips, do fill in your book. Question 3, write T for true and F for false again. So T for true and false. First is humus contain a number of gases. Humus क्या होता है? Dead and decayed part of plant and matter. So which that contain number of gases? Yes, true. Then second one is soil contain air and water. Soil में air और water होता है? Yes, this is true statement. And third one is loamy soil is best for growth of plants. लोमी सॉइल अच्छी नहीं होती है क्या प्लांट ग्रोथ के लिए? नो, लोमी सॉइल इज द बेस्ट फॉर प्लांट ग्रोथ, सो दिस इज फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट. एंड लास्ट, सॉइल इज नॉट ए होम टू एनिमल लाइक अर्थवर्म एंड रेट्स. सॉइल जो है वो अर्थवर्म और रेट का होम नहीं होता है क्या? होता है. सॉइल some animals like rabbit, snake, rat live in soil. So this is false statement. Fourth is false statement. Do in your book, okay? And after that open your notebook. Open your notebook. After define term, next question answer in brief. This question write on next page. Okay. So write answer in brief. Question 1, define soil. So what do you mean by soil? I explained 2, 3, 4 times. What is soil? What is soil? What is soil? So right answer, soil. Topmost layer of earth is called soil. And question second, after every question Leave one line. Okay. Then next question, how many type of soil? How many types of soil? How many type of soil? So there are 3 type of soil. There are 3 type of soil. First is loamy soil. One time. First is loamy soil. Second one is sandy soil. And third one is clay soil. Question third, again leave one line. Okay. Question third, which type of soil is best for plant growth? Which type of soil is बेस्ट फॉर प्लांट ग्रोथ? किस टाइप की सॉइल बेस्ट होती है प्लांट ग्रोथ के लिए? सो आंसर लोमी सॉइल इज बेस्ट फॉर प्लांट ग्रोथ. Question fourth. Take one screenshot and after then write in your notebook. Which type of soil hold little amount of water? Little amount of water. किस टाइप की सॉइल में बहुत कम वाटर होता है? वाटर की क्वांटिटी बहुत लिटिल होती है. सो आंसर इज सैंडी सॉइल. Sandy soil hold little amount of water. Question fifth, what does soil contain? Contain of soil. So soil contain contains gravel, loam, sand, water and air. Sorry, sorry. Water, mineral, rock, mineral, rocks and air. सॉइल में क्या क्या होता है? सॉइल कंटेन ग्रेवल, लोम, सैंड, वाटर, रॉक्स एंड एयर. क्वेश्चन 6th इज नेम सम एनिमल which live in soil. Write name of some animals which live in soil. So answer is rat, rabbit, and snake live in soil. Earthworm also. Okay. Rat, rabbit, snake live in soil. What is humus? What is humus? Humus क्या है? Dead and decayed part of plant and animal matter. Dead and decayed part of plant matter which provide nutrient to plant. Question 8th is what is manure? What is manure? Answer: manure is a mixture of cow dung, animal dung. Down and decaying part of plant matter, the addition of manure help to make the addition of manure to soil make addition of manure to soil make more fertile. Take one screenshot and write in your notebook. Okay, properly write in your notebook. Thank you.